To Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best application for your own business, small business or big business, and generate your billing invoices in India. So that application name is ClearOne, best and easy app for GST billing. So many features are available on that particular platform. The application available on Android plus desktop system. So where exactly available this application and how many features? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply put it here in the Google. I'm putting this link in same video description because of the link is little bit big, so you can see the video description. Click on that particular link and come in the screen. So the application features related informations are available here. Create professional invoice, send payment link, track payment and manage so many features. Try for free, scan and download. How many features? Invoicing, payment collection and investor management. Frequently asked question. Price, what exactly price of this application? If you are using single mobile, so this application is absolutely free. No need to paying any kind of registration. You generate unlimited invoices, estimate platform invoices, unlimited prime business card, unlimited, no branding of this app invoice bill, e-way bill. Such kind of features is not available for the delivery challan, debit card, credit card notes, e-invoicing and some support. If you are purchasing that as a standardization pack for the like yearly subscription 1999, you can receive this package just only 2000. Number of business, you can put it unlimited business here, no matter 1 or 1000. The application available on mobile plus desktop. Two places you can register this application, same user ID, unlimited invoicing and rest of all features are unlimited. If you are not satisfied for the standardization pack, you can customize your own pack. You are customize your own plan accordingly. They are creating your own plan and what exactly your expectation, accordingly you contact them. Before start the features of this application, how to generate invoicing, we sign up here. Simply as a sign up point of view, you just simply put it here in your mobile number 942223, agree, continue. I just simply receive one OTP here. Yeah, I receive the OTP, put it here the OTP, continue, and my account is ready. And then I create here my profile. So I type here my name Sangram Singh, last name, mobile number and your email address. So I just simply verify my email address. I click here. I receive one email for the verification point of view. Click here and verify email address. So I verify my email address here. Again I refresh here. So look at this, my email address is verified. Now ClearOne setting. So I put it here my bank detail. Customer are sending me money, so I am receiving directly on that particular account. Easy to set up, no need any kind of documents. Auto add payment link, bank detail in your invoice, receive instant confirmation when payment are mode. So I just simply set up here. I put it here in my bank account number. So here is my bank account number, IFSC code like my bank located on Hyderabad. I put it here in my PAN card number, name as per PAN card. So I type here my name as per my PAN card, billing status, individual or proprietorship. So I select as an individual, business address Gachibowli, Hyderabad, pin code and done. So my bank related information are generated here. Payment link will be activated after verification 10 or 15 minutes. Automatically all setup are activation, share via WhatsApp. So click and directly enter the WhatsApp application, desktop application or web application. So I just simply send here, send. So directly you can send payment below the account number for the customer. So customer are receiving my bank account number and IFSC code, and he or she very easily send this payment on this particular product. It's quite simple. Receive payment, activate. Next, business setting. Business setting, which types of business you want added here. You need the business, upload GST number related on your business, GST number if you have available you can put it, otherwise skip. NIC related information you are put it here, and last one profile detail. So now time to related payment, sale related information here. If you are not clear of my video, you can watch the original application owner video, otherwise we can create here my first invoice. My business name is Research Rocks. Slip from deposit address like here Aurangabad, save the address, pin code 431003, city Aurangabad, state Maharashtra, save the address, save the business. To the bill you select here the customer, so here the customer, date, which date to which date, or select directly on today's date, and then put it here the item name. So item name you can add here your own item also. So suppose for example we added here MacBook Pro. Price of this MacBook Pro, like I select here 80,000. Or peers, which types of product you are putting here. Services, I just select the services. Finance, portfolio, technical testing, assignment, I just simply select here how much GST you charges in, like suppose for example 1%. We save, and like the price comes here, GST comes in 80,000. Accordingly I select here duplicate of this copy, same, and then simply upload the signature here, upload my own signature here like this. My signature is uploaded here. I am a owner of this business as a for example, otherwise it's okay. Save, and look at this here, you can copy this link and directly put it on WhatsApp also here. So someone are just click on that particular link, specific invoice also come here. You just simply download here and my invoice is downloaded. It's quite amazing application. Second thing, we are here, so the invoice are generated. Record, create e-invoice or any other invoices you can generate here. Print the invoice very easily if you are connected the printout in this particular application. Send invoice, you are very easily send this particular invoice via email, otherwise generate the link and copy this link and send WhatsApp, personal message, or download as PDF format. Generate e-invoice, duplicate and cancel invoice, and delete invoice as well. So we can come back here, very easily you can generate here. The estimate delivery challan, how to create a delivery challan, you click here in this particular delivery challan, same as it is. I can select here the product name as it is, delivery challan, and then where. So I select the customer, shipment due to today's date, save, and my delivery challan is ready. Both challan you can create in invoice, delivery challan, put it someone, and then generate the delivery challan and like your business name, address, and where exactly you deliver for this particular product, like a delivered to Sangram Singh means customer name. Next one, debit card, credit card related notes. You can receive some money for debit card, credit card, such kind of features are available here. You can very easily here. Payment transaction related information comes here in like a first transaction comes here. So here unregistered customer is this, because of he have no GST and all, so you can add here new customer. I have the new customer also, no GST. So business name of the new customer, like we can select here shop, TV shop, put it here new customer, mobile number, email address. If you have email address it's okay, otherwise skip this one, save this. So look at this, name of the particular customer or business name, TV shop, the amount. I am not put it here the amount related information, but some next time I just select here create new invoice from like TV shop, today's date, select same item, save, and my invoice is generate here. It's very simple. Again I go back here, two invoices are related here, customer, TV shop, and Sangram Singh. So I just simply select here edit invoice, export selected form, much more, generate e-invoice. So it's very simple to generate e-invoice, or you can delete here in this particular invoice. Someone are not payment, so you delete accordingly, and so many features are available here. Upcoming videos I am again exploring this application very clearly but this one is a basic video how to find out this application, how to register, and which types of features are available on particular application. If you have any question regarding the Claire one, I will help you as soon as possible.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.